Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Nikki B, and I'm very excited to share to you this project that I'm currently working on. I have recently decided to start a vlog series that I'll be calling Tax Tales of the Self-Employed. So basically, this would include video tutorials and perhaps an interview with an accountant on how to properly file our taxes as freelancers, how I file mine, how I transition from being an employed taxpayer to a self-employed taxpayer, and many more, depende sa mga magiging questions nyo. And excited ako kasi alam kong maraming freelancers ang magbe-benefit dito. And with that being said, I think it's just fitting to start off this series with a video tutorial on how you can acquire your own taxpayer's identification number or TIN from the Bureau of Internal Revenue. So for today's short vlog, we'll be covering these topics, some definition of terms, procedure for TIN application, and how to get your TIN ID card. So if you're interested to know more, then keep watching. Hello again guys! If you're new to my channel, my name is Nikki B and I vlog about freelancing, health, and lifestyle in general. So if you're interested in any of the topics that I mentioned, then consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa latest uploads ko. So, without further ado, let's proceed to the topic at hand and let's go over a quick definition of terms. So, first, alamin natin, ano nga ba ang taxpayer's identification number or TIN? So, basically, it's a set of unique numbers assigned to an individual that allows proper identification when one is filing tax returns with the Bureau of Internal Revenue. So, kung iisipin natin, para siyang bank account number sa savings account natin para whenever we deposit or withdraw, alam kung kanino galing yung pera. Now, let's go to the next term, which is the Revenue District Office or RDO. Ano nga ba yun? So, it's a region where you are presently registered as a taxpayer. Kumbaga sa post office, di ba meron yung mga zoning or zoning system wherein yung location na to or itong region na to may naka-assign na specific tax office na siyang mag-handle, audit at manage ng mga tax na fina-file dun sa area na yon. So now that we have defined the most common terms related to this topic, let's now proceed with the actual procedure on the application of getting your own TIN. So the very first step is to actually know the type of taxpayer that you will register for para alam mo kung anong BIR registration form ang gagamitin mo. So if you are registering as a self-employed or you have mixed income, you'll have to fill out the form 1901. On the other hand, if isa ka namang empleyado sa isang kumpanya, then you'll have to use the form 1902. Be careful and make sure na yung part 4 ng 1902 is signed and filled out by a representative of your company, mostly nasa HR yan or accounting department, before you go to your respective RDOs to file para hindi na kayo pabalik-balik. Now let's proceed to step 2, which is to prepare the necessary documents depende sa taxpayer type na napili mo. In general, providing a birth certificate and at least one valid ID would suffice. Some of the accepted valid IDs are PRC ID, passport, driver's license, UMID, school ID, company ID, at yung cedula or yung tinatawag na community tax certificate. Para naman sa mga married couples, you also have to provide your marriage certificate. And if you will be declaring your children as dependents para sa tax exemption benefits, then you'll also have to provide the birth certificates of your children. To know more at para i-confirm din kung may additional requirements ba na kailangan kayong isubmit, you may call the customer service hotline of BIR para ma-prepare nyo na yung iba pang documents bago kayo pumunta sa office nila. I will put in the description box yung contact numbers nila para you can call them. The last step is to actually identify kung ano yung correct RDO, kung saan sakop yung address mo, mapa-office man yan or home base kung freelance ka. And once you have identified that, go to that office and submit your requirements. Right there and then, i-issuehan ka na ng TIN. And pagka-issue sa'yo, pwede ka na ring dumiretso at sabihan yung BIR officer na gusto mo ring kumuha ng TIN ID card. On the other hand, if you already have an existing TIN, just bring a valid ID and proceed to the RDO where you are registered and ask a security guard there kung saan window kayo dapat mag-request ng TIN ID card. So, I guess that's it for today's vlog. Sana makatulong ito sa mga first time na kukuha ng TIN nila at sana po isubaybayan nyo ang ating tax tales of the self-employed series. And if may mga tanong kayo, just leave it down the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer them. And thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up kung nagustuhan nyo to. And I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!